And that's your Gen Z charmer, Bjorn Morta!
Galing naman, Bjorn! Bjorn naman! Amazing!
Wow!
Amazing!
Bjorn, you were born to do this.
Yes!
Grabe, amazing. We
Thank you.
enjoyed every second of that.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel? And yes, you smell good.
Hanep, dinaan mo sa perfume yung performance mo, ha?
Una kinabahan, tapos after that,
3 seconds lang yun, ano?
siguro.
Yes, I think 3 seconds. Nakita ko ganun 3 seconds, tapos okay na siya.
Yeah, okay na. Ayun, binirit ko naman. I tried my best. Yeah.
Wonderful, Bjorn.
Congrats, Bjorn. At syempre, anong masasabi ng ating mga inampalan?
Bjorn, alam mo, na-Bjorn again ako sa performance mo. You're natural. You're so good and you're not even trying. Ganun yung pakiramdam eh. Parang natural lang talaga, pinanganak ka talagang ganyan. So, congratulations. Sobra ako nag-enjoy. Congratulations, ang galing-galing mo.
Thank
Nag-enjoy
you.
ako sa performance mo.
Thank you, Kuya Da.
Bjorn! Alam mo,
Yes.
yung feeling while you were performing, parang nanood na ako ng concert mo. Yun yung feeling ko na nag-enjoy ka lang at nag-enjoy kami. You were just very relaxed. Tumata ka sa akin today. So, congrats.
Thank you so much.